Yeah, I'm back. I had a question that someone asked me if under pressure could I boil the water faster. Well, right now the water's steaming, as you can see, a couple little bubbles here and there, and now when I add the pressure with my train transformer that's running the air pump up into the cell, I'm going to show you what happens. Here we go. So there's your answer. Boil away. And now what I wanted to show you is I'll be selling this gauge sometime on eBay, and I'm going to show you the correct way to do this. Everybody should be using 4-gauge wire. Anytime we go above 20 amps, 4 gauge is a must, or bigger. But when you're putting these into like a fuse block like this, it actually is the amp and volt gauge. A lot of people just stuff it in like this when they tighten a screw down, and as you can see, if you can see, the wire just fans out inside there. So what you really should be doing is actually tinning the wire. You actually put the solder on the top of the wire, about like that, and that keeps all the strands together. So then when you put it inside and tighten the screw down, now you get a nice connection in there, and now you're using all the strands in the wire. Just one little tidbit of information, and it's going to show you what happens when we put the torch up against the metal. So take a second here. I'll shut that little burner off I made. Now I'm going to put this torch up I made. Can you see that? All you do is get a torch tip. I got this at Harbor Freight. It only costs like $8. Cut the end off. You just have a nut there. That's what went onto your torch, the real acetylene torch. Just going to put it in here. I'm going to put it back into the tube here. There we go. It's only a little bit away from the metal. Now we're going to start it back up again. Okay, just want to tighten this screw a little bit. Okay. Set this up. Light it again. There we go. Now, I guess I'm going to turn this light out here so you can see it a little bit better. As you can see, by itself, it's turning red. And now when we give it some pressure, again, that's about 2 pounds. You can see what's happening here. Creating more heat. Inside the tube it's glowing. And this will burn right through. So I just wanted to show you what happened. Somebody asked me about that, so I figured I'd whip up a video for you guys, and you can take a look at this one. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.